2004 Ford Explorer, and the radio does this when you turn the truck off. You turn the car off, and if you go to get out, I don't know if you heard that or not with the buzzer. Let's see, I get the camera in a little closer. Or if you turn it on, it does the same thing. If you have any idea what that is, if it's something that I need to pull the CD out, or if there's no CD in there, but if there's something stuck in there or what's going on, leave a comment down below. Let me know what I can do to fix that. Alright, thanks for watching.